All right, listen up because what just dropped is bigger than anything we've seen all year. Out of nowhere, the Ripple versus SEC case, it may have just been hit with an end date bombshell. Wait until you see this. And if that wasn't enough to get your heart racing, the European Union just signed a $43 billion deal to buy US AI chips. Yeah, you heard that right. 43 billion. Plus, word on the street is that the White House is gearing up for a crypto strategic reserve announcement tomorrow. Yeah, and imagine if their eyes are on XRP, ETH, ADA, and Solana to join the US stockpile. This is the kind of momentum that makes bull market legends. Are you a legend? If you look for the inside track and what all this means for your bag, and if you want to be ahead of 99% of the crowd, guess what? You are in exactly the right place. Trust me, you don't want to miss a second of what's coming next. Welcome to the Bullwinkle Blueprint. And we go way deeper than just the headlines. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, hit subscribe, because only 31.3% of you are subscribed to the channel. The other 68.7%, you're not subscribed. We're going to change the crypto world together, and you're about to see how. Without further ado, Bitcoin, $118,436. It's currently down 0.3%. Ethereum coming in at 3,816. It's currently down 1.57%. And XRP is coming in at $3.13. It is down 3.4%. Hey, I'm not mad at it. Not too shabby at all. Total cryptocurrency market cap still trying to get above 4 trillion. That will happen. That will come. And when that breaks, strap on in because here we go, baby. If you didn't watch this morning's video, hey, go give it a listen. XRP to $1,000 by my Easy Boy apps. Right on the New York City stock floor yesterday during an interview. You want to get people rushing? You want to cause some FOMO? Hey, there you go. They're trying to do it right there. You love to see it. 348 million liquidated from crypto markets in the past 24 hours. Over 118,301 traders were liquidated. This is the biggest liquidation event since the 2.68 million ETH USD position on HTX. Now, we talked about this narrative. We're going to speak about it more tomorrow on the live stream. I think I'm going to do the live from this channel tomorrow. Just a little heads up. But what are they trying to do? Simple. Wipe out the longs, cause fear, get people all shaken up, all nervous, make them think twice about getting back into crypto or buy more crypto, and then send the prices up and through the roof. Tomorrow's a big day. What is the White House going to announce? Could we see a front run of the prices today from some leaked info or just from people speculating that they are going to announce, obviously Bitcoin, but maybe they're going to say XRP, maybe they say Chainlink, Ondo, Stellar, H-Bar, ETH, who knows, right? Who knows? But we know they are announcing something. And whether that's just Bitcoin or if that's more than Bitcoin, it is bullish. And here's that clip. I'm not going to play it, but the Easy A boys said XRP to $1,000. You love to see it. And here's the news about the European Union. So listen to this. We woke up to one of the biggest tech deals of the decade. The European Union signed a $43 billion trade agreement to buy AI chips from the US. No, that's not a typo. That's 40 billion euros, and it's happening right now. But here's the part that no one's talking about. Most people just scroll right through this. How this deal could send shockwaves directly through the crypto market, and why this is more than just a win for big tech. So why should you care? Well, let's break it down. When a deal of this magnitude goes down, it's not just the chip makers who wins. This is the world's largest economic bloc betting their entire digital future on American technology. Every AI chip shipped across the Atlantic, it's more than silicon. It's infrastructure for the next internet. And you know what powers the rails of the new digital economy? Blockchain and crypto. But here's where it gets wild. As Europe turbocharges its AI industry, It's going to need massive computing power. It's going to need ironclad security, and it's going to need lightning fast settlements. Guess what ticks all those boxes? Decentralized crypto networks. Think about it. AI workloads need real-time payments and unstoppable transparent data. That's ETH and XRP. That's the entire world of utility tokens. If you think crypto is just about coins and charts, you better buckle up because this integration on a global scale. But don't take my word for it. No, you should never take my word for it. You should always do your own research, right? But history tells us that every industry leap creates new financial backbones. When the world went electric, what happened? Banks changed. When the internet hit, e-commerce exploded. Now with AI becoming the new oil, crypto is perfectly positioned to become the plumbing of the AI age. Now imagine smart contracts running payroll, decentralized data markets, and tokenized access to machine learning models. So what does this mean for the US? Well, it's an economic power move. Not only does it secure leadership in the AI arms race, it also tightens America's grip on global tech standards. And for the economy, well, expect job booms, more investments, and yep, more government attention on regulating digital assets. Every dollar flowing from Europe means stronger US companies and bigger crypto adoption. Because these new systems, they need payment rails that move as fast as AI thinks. And guess what? That's not Swift. But here's the $1 million question. What happens if the EU starts adopting blockchain infrastructure to support the AI revolution? Well, that's how you get the next Amazon or Google. But it's built, right? But not on Wall Street, but on Web3. And if you're in crypto now, you're literally early to a future $1 trillion industry. Think about that for a second. And then we get this clip talking about the White House and the strategic reserve and what is going down tomorrow. Now just imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing the headlines. White House announces XRP, ETH, ADA, and Solana are added to the official US crypto strategic reserve. What do you think is going to happen? Remember that Sunday when Trump talked about XRP and we had the biggest green candle we have ever seen in our lives? That's right. Folks, think about that for a second. Now, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know if they're just going to talk about Bitcoin. But you know what? That's why we're into crypto, because every day is a journey, right? And as Smoke puts this out, XRP dominance is accelerating. We look at the XRP to Bitcoin chart. This is the only chart I'm really paying attention to now for XRP. We got one level left, right here. It's sitting up here. 3062 to 3119 Satoshis. This is on the XRP to Bitcoin chart. Obviously, this price, it moves, right? When Bitcoin's price moves, the Satoshi value moves. If we're looking at it right now, it's around 362, 363, somewhere within that region, okay? We need that to break. When that breaks, and yes, folks, it's going to break, then I think we officially enter our price discovery. This level has been holding us back for quite some time. You can see we touched it once back in December during the first move up. We tried to get above it again. We were unable to successfully close in January. We then tried again in March, and then later into March, we tried one more time. Right here in July, we tried, we touched, we got rejected. We're going to break through, and then it is night time because XRP is going to fly. And then we get this. Mark Fagel. He believes that Ripple and the SEC will likely drop the appeals before August 15th. That's 2 weeks away. Potentially paving the way for the XRP lawsuit settlement. Who's Mark Fagel? Well, he's just a retired attorney. 28-year career, specialized in SEC enforcement and securities litigation. Very interesting here that Mr. Fagel who served as the regional director of the SEC's San Francisco regional office from 2008 to 2013, is now making a prediction that he believes Rippleverse SEC is coming to an end within the next 2 weeks. You know he still has friends over there at the SEC. You know he's still meeting up with people and having lunch, just catching up, saying, hey, how's retired life? How you doing? You know what I mean? So what does Mr. Fiegel know that we don't know? Because Mr. Fiegel, he's calling for us. He's calling to make an exchange or to make the end of the Rippleverse SEC lawsuit. I'm paying attention to what this man says, especially someone who used to work at the SEC, because they usually tend to know more than people on Twitter do. What do you think about that? I'm going to leave it alert right there. No, hey, hopefully you enjoyed. Wash your damn hands. As always, be nice and be kind to each other. Yeah, we brought it back. Hope you liked it. I'll catch everyone on the next one.